A320 Fac Faults. The aircraft has two flight augmentation computers that perform four main functions: yaw damping and turn coordination, including rudder trim and travel limitation; low energy aural alert function; PFD speed scale management displaying minimum, maximum and maneuvering speed computation and alpha floor protection; wind shear detection function;
Wind shear.
single fac failure.
Autoflight Fac 1 Fault.
I have control. I have the radio. ECAM actions.
The crew can attempt to reset the FAC by turning off and on the FAC push button on the overhead panel. If unsuccessful, the remaining FAC takes over the functions of the failed FAC. Characteristic speeds on both PFDs are calculated from the remaining FAC. Approach capability is reduced to Cat 3A. FAC 1 and 2 fault.
Autoflight autopilot off.
I have control. I have the radio. ECAM actions.
The ECAM does not display FAC 1 and 2 fault initially. The aircraft reverts to alternate law without protections, and the autopilot and auto thrust are lost. ECAM actions. Cancel the autopilot disconnect warning.
Clear autoflight.
Clear order flight.
Flight controls, alternate law, max speed 320.
The speed is limited due to the loss of high-speed protections.
Clear flight controls.
Clear flight controls.
Engine thrust locked.
Select manual thrust.
Clear engine.
Clear engine.
Autoflight auto thrust off. Clear autoflight.
Clear order flight.
The flight crew will attempt to restore either or both FACs. If unsuccessful, turn both FACs off.
Clear autoflight.
Clear order flight.
Status. Landing will be made in flap 3 as the aircraft reverts to direct law when the gear is down. With FAC 1 and 2 inoperative, the rudder travel limit system, rudder trim control, and yaw damper are lost. The rudder travel limiter system may not be in the correct position for the flight speed. To prevent damage to the aircraft structure, use the rudder with care when the speed is above 160 knots. With FAC 1 and 2 fault, PFD characteristic speeds are lost. There is no wind shear detection, low energy warning, or alpha floor.